Friends, the next story I have is very big and as big as 6,000 crore rupees. क्योंकि ये है OnePlus की तरफ से latest announcement of the new project Starlight. Basically, the commitment coming from OnePlus कि OnePlus India में invest करने वाला है on an annual basis 2,000 crore rupees अगले 3 साल तक. Basically, in total 6,000 crore rupees. I spoke to the OnePlus India CEO Robin and the VP of OnePlus India Ram और हमने जाना इस प्रोजेक्ट स्टारलाइट के बारे में थोड़ा डिटेल में एंड व्हाट OnePlus इज डूइंग कि वो जो फोन में ग्रीन लाइन आती है ना उसका इशू एकदम कम से कम हो जाए और अगर आए भी इशू तो हमें लाइफ टाइम वारंटी भी मिल जाए. Let's hear up close what happened during this conversation.
India is one of the largest strategic priorities for OnePlus. So we take care of the OnePlus Indian community very seriously because the Indian users helped us build such a strong foundation here. We have over 20 million community members. So and most of them are coming from the Indian community.
We studied a lot about the Indian community. Indian community is one of the active users of the mobile phones. Surprising fact is that still there are some active users for OnePlus One. So with this insight, what it is going to be? So that means they are expecting something else from OnePlus. That means long durability and reliability phone also. So that's where this project Starlight comes into picture. What exactly we are going to do is, we are going to spend more advanced technological enhancement to make sure that our phone will be the longest to use and don't compromise on any performance and efficiency of the phone.
Ram, I would want to throw a Yorker here.
Yeah.
So the moment you said reliability, I would be very blunt here.
Yeah.
And I would want to bring in the issue of the green line. It is pretty open in the public. What is the reason that people get such thing? And then once you explain, I'll definitely come back to you in terms of what you guys are doing to ensure that your users need not to worry about the line now.
For any such type of issues, so our strategy is very clear. Whenever the issue comes, first try to address this issue so that our customer will not have any problems. So first thing what we did is, we try to go for a warranty and free replacement of the display. And back to our laboratory and try to find out what exactly caused. So in our study and our research, it shows that because AMOLEDs, for longevity of the issues, there may be some factors which are influencing to make these green line issues. So what are those factors? Especially in India regions like monsoons are very high and temperatures are very high and people uses like phone like anything. And third thing is the material is always will have wear and tear. There are multiple factors and there will be I can say accidental drops. So by combining all these things, there may be a problem of intrusion of either water or oxygen into the device through the display edges.
Okay.
Then we went and investigating at what exactly the edges is happening on the AMOLED. Then we did some study and say that we are earlier, to put it in a precise way, right? Earlier we are using a material similar to the paper sort of thing to seal the edges of the AMOLED. So that is the culprit which we feel that it's not only the reason because of multiple factors.
Of course.
So then we come up with, again back to the laboratory saying that, okay, which material is going to be more suitable? Then we come up with one of the PVX layer, which is almost like a metallic layer. So if you do with this,
to do the bonding around
things, so it is more prone for the water and this one. So with this technology, we already adapted. Apart from this, this is one of the technological enhancements. Second thing what we did is, so we are doing, to check the reliability and durability of the phone, we'll be doing the multiple tests, like aging test and then stress test and all those things.
Labs
and doing it, right? So these tools are definitely have international standards. And what is missing? The missing thing is to bring practical use cases in your testing.
And I think that too, keeping the diversity of India in mind.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So what we learned from the India, the use cases, we bring into our testing laboratories and we adapted these use cases to the real-time use cases. So this is the second way of addressing this issue. So with this process, we have been adopted from last year. So we are ensuring that what are the products we are going to release from now onwards, we are pretty much confident that our green line issues will be the industry lowest, we can promise with that.
And just in case it happens, then?
There is a thing, that's what we already have a called lifetime warranty of the display And with the interesting fact which we are going to come up with the OnePlus 13 onwards. You need to wait and see when during the OnePlus launch. So that means we have that much confidence on our product reliability and durability. That's where we are coming up 180 days free replacement policy of the new upcoming OnePlus 13.